step into the Jeep 2008 Wrangler Unlimited X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include extra cost paint, trailer tow group included, 3.73 axle ratio Class 2 receiver hitch 4-pin trailer connector wiring, easy folding SoftTop, STD, Sirius satellite radio, subscription required, PWR convenience group included, power locks, power windows with driver and front passenger, 1 touchdown remote keyless entry, security alarm, 3.8 SMPI V6 engine, STD, 3.73 axle ratio, AM/FM stereo with 6-disc CD/DVD changer included, DVD audio playback, MP3 playback, aux input jack and manufacturer's statement of origin. If you are looking for a solid